Hey everyone, welcome back to the tutorial series on Checkout Upsell plugin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize the look and feel of the upsell offer using the options available in the Checkout Upsell plugin. Well, if you're first time viewers of these videos, then it's important for you to get the plugin installed. You can find a detailed installation guide and the purchase link to this particular plugin in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Now let's get into the video. In order to customize the upsell offer, we will have to first create a pre-purchase campaign. I have already created one. Let me show you what I've created. For this, I'm going to take you back to the WordPress dashboard, and here you'll be able to find Checkout Upsell. Under Campaigns tab, you'll be able to create new campaigns or view your created campaigns. As mentioned earlier, I've already created one pre-purchase upsell campaign. But in case you're wondering how to do so, then we also have another video in which you can find the creation of pre-purchase upsell campaign elaborately. Please go to the description and find the link in order to view that video. Let me show you what I've created by clicking on this pre-purchase upsell. Well, I have created an offer product cap for 20% off. Alright, so let me click on this edit option to show you what exactly it is. Here we go. Here's the offer product and the discount configuration. Now on the right, you'll be able to see something called offer preview. This is how the order bump on the checkout looks like. All right. The good news is with the plugin, you can customize the look and feel of this particular order bump. And that's what I'm going to show you next. To customize the look and feel of it, you can go to template contents and you can find different elements that you can customize according to your needs. The first one is the offer title. You may have to keep the shortcode as it is, as that retrieves the value you've set. And then you can also change the title if you want. Then goes offer description, which we see here. You can just change this according to your needs by just clicking on this box and editing according to your needs. And third one is the offer CTA text, which is this. We know that upon clicking this checkbox, this particular offer will be added to the original order of the customers. All right. So you can also change the CTA text if you want. Plus, you can also use the same image or in fact, upload your own custom image. All right. For example, I'm going to just show you how to add a custom image for this particular template. Let's click on custom page and click select or change image. Now I'm going to click on the select files option, and which takes you here, and this is the cap image that I'm trying to upload. That is it. After you have uploaded the image, click on select and you'll be able to notice that the image is changed successfully. All right. This is how we go about editing the different elements of this particular template. Next comes template styling. And here you can notice this is the active template. You can also give a different template by clicking on change template option, which will show you the different templates that are available. All right. Now all that you can do is choose a template that suits your requirements. This could be an opportunity for customers to have their attention towards this order bump and definitely don't want to miss it. So let me use this template. And now you'll be able to notice that the template is changed successfully. Similarly, you can also style this particular template by going for custom styling and clicking on enable. You could notice the different things that you can customize. For example, template, title or banner, description section, CTA section, etc. Let me try changing this background color to a little pinkish. You can do that. You could in fact change this background color to something like this, and the CTA section as well. All right. Well, we have seen how to customize different elements of the order bump. Now all that we have to do is just save the settings, go back to the campaign, and again save and close this particular campaign so that the changes are retained. All right. Now let me take you to the storefront and show you how it works. Let's go to the storefront and let me purchase this particular polo. Now on going to the checkout page, customers will be able to see the order bump. And you can notice that the customizations you have done have reflected properly. That is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching.